All right, this is part two of creating an assignment. I'm going to actually not create a quiz assignment here, but I'll create an actual assignment. This gives me a lot more flexibility with what I'd like that assignment to look like. And so I'm going to give it a title. This one will be Math Lesson 2. Because I want to show you how right down from here you can either create a Google Drive document or slide or sheet, or you can add, and you can add right from your Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and do this right from my Google Drive and go ahead and find a file that I can share with this. I'll go ahead just choose this device deployment form because I want to show you a really neat feature of Google Classroom, and that's the sharing options. There's three different ways you can attach this. You can attach this as a view only, and what that means is that a student can't really interact with this. They'll just be able to open it as a resource. You can make them able to edit the file, which means every student would be working on the same file, so their changes would affect everybody else. It's great for group projects or anytime that you're going to encourage collaboration. But the edit file allows all the students this is assigned to actually edit the file. But the one that is gold is make a copy for each student. So that's the one I'm going to choose, which means every student is going to get their own copy to work on. And if it's a Google Doc or slide or sheet, they can do the work right on the document, and then it's saved with their name on it, so when they submit it, they're not messing up anybody else, they're not messing up your original. This just allows it to be their own unique copy. Again, over here, I see those same type of options. Am I assigning it to multiple classes? Am I assigning it to all students or just to some? How many points is this assignment worth? When is it due? Is there a topic to it? Am I going to organize it in that way? I'll go ahead and do the due date for tomorrow. I can even attach a rubric to it if I want, and even check plagiarism, where it will compare it against other things that are out there, compare it and check for originality. This is how I would assign something, just making sure to make a copy for each student. You can add a whole bunch of other things here, but this is the one that is really useful. When you assign a Google application, a doc sheet or slide, you can make a copy for each student, and then they can work on their own, so that when they submit it, then it's their own and not anybody else's. So I'm going to go ahead and assign this. Again, you can schedule it for a future date. I'll just assign this one right now. And then it's assigned, and the students are going to see this assignment and be able to access their own version of it, of that document.